100% of leaks, even low ones. Fear no leaks with Pampers Swaddlers. Looking to own free diapers? Download Pampers Club now.
Hey, I'm Hallie. It's good to be with you tonight. The debt ceiling. Here's why this matters. Please don't have your eyeballs glazed over. Here's why this matters. Talk to us about what we're supposed to call this. Is it a bailout? Is it a backstop? There's a difference because it matters whose money is being used.